So you haven't seen the new Google algorithm updates?
No, I haven't.
So they've introduced a few things. Honestly, this stuff's kind of like always been true, though, in my opinion. It's always targeting low quality sites. So if you have a spammy site that is just using produced content at scale to abuse Google, that's basically what they're targeting. Now, that doesn't mean you can't have a site that has a large amount of posts and a large amount of um, even automated posts. It's all about just, are you actually providing real value? So they actually reference like sites that have frequently asked questions that have like fake answers. I don't know if you've ever seen those. Hold on.
The big takeaway to
Hold
me is
on.
that Google is consistently always trying to weed out people that aren't doing something real. And so the thread to me here is like, don't try and game the system. And this also connects to AI generated content, right? So anyone who's pressing generate on an article and then publishing that without even looking at it, reading it, injecting who you are, your voice, your story, your examples into the content, that is going to come back and bite people in the butt big time over the coming like months and years. And I mean, we're already seeing this start to play out with some of these algorithm updates.
So the second thing is actually sites with high reputations hosting third-party content. So I don't know if you've seen like educational, like it could be like a .edu posting reviews about life insurance or something like completely unrelated from their niche. Like, so that's the second thing that's targeting. And also expired domain abuse. So if, a lot of people will buy domain names that are expired and then redirect to their site or, use it in a way. And I guess they're going to be monitoring that now.
I
Sorry, Black
love
Bean is like
that. I
all
think
over me
that's
right
really
here.
important because I mean, in the earlier days of like SEO and whatnot, I definitely bought expired domains and attempted to like exploit that strategy of like, can I transfer all the reputational authority from this other domain that is dead to a site that I was working on? And I don't think that I ever really experienced meaningful benefits from that. I know some people have, but I mean, yeah, this all just comes back to the same ethos that to me, Google search engines, they want to provide the right, best content and answers and helpful stuff to real people. And the more you try and game the system around just doing really good stuff for other people, I think that's when you get lost in the weeds and you probably eventually get dinged on something like this in an algorithm update.